Hello student, today I am going to teach you MS Excel's topic entering data in a worksheet. So as you all know that you have already studied about MS Excel. That is a very good interesting application. So it is a spreadsheet software which is used for mathematical calculation, and you can see it consisting of rows and column, which makes tabular form spreadsheet software. Understand? So the topic today I'm going to teach you also related to the this software, entering data in a worksheet. So you should know that how will you enter data in a worksheet, how will you enter data in a tabular form, rows or columns. So let's discuss about it. You can enter three types of data in worksheet cells, like number, text and formula. So student, you should know that you can enter three types of data into your cell or in a worksheet. Understand? Like number. Number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These types of numbers you can enter in the cell. Text. Text means alphabetic manners. All the alphabetic manners or words, sentences you can enter into the cell. And formula. Formula means whatever you have given formula in this software you can enter in, or which you have remember you can enter into the cell. You can also enter date, time, but Excel stores such data as numbers only. So student, you can enter date and time also, but the Excel software, it stores such data as a number only, in the form of numbers only. By default, text is left aligned and numbers are right aligned in a cell. It means text is left aligned. It means whenever you type text in a cell, it start from left side. It start from always at left side firstly, and the number, whenever you type number in a cell, it start it the position of this number will be at right side in a cell. Understand? To enter the data, so you should know how will you enter data. First of all, click on the cell where you want to enter the data. Understand? First of all, you should know that where, in which cell you want to enter the data. So click on the cell in which you want to enter the data, then type your data into the cell. After blinking the cursor there, press the enter to move the pointer down to the next cell. If you have completed your written work in that cell, then you can press enter to move your pointer to the next cell. Then after, you can use tab key or respective arrow keys for moving to the next adjoining cells. Understand? So let us create the worksheet as shown in figure 6.2 on household expenses and save the workbook with the name monthly expenses. You can see the figure here given here 6.2 entering data, in which you can see rows and column there. The column will be A, B, C, and the rows in numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understand? So in cells A2, V2, C2 and C2 type serial number, item, Sunday or date. So you can see in the figure in A2 you can see A2. So this is the cell in which you have written serial number, and B2 in which you have written item, and C2 in which you have written date. And respectively, you can write all the data in the cells. Understand? So then after completing your written work, you can press enter. Understand? Enter the given data in your worksheet as given in figure 6.2. So you should know that how will you enter data. You can see this video to understand how will you enter data. Understand? So the next topic will be using autofill feature. In Excel, autofill feature allows the user to extend and fill a series of numbers, date, or even text to a desired number of cells. So this feature is given in Excel, which is used for autofill features, in which you can fill series of number, date, or even text also automatically. Understand? So let's discuss about it. Fill handler is a small black dot at the bottom right corner of the active cell. You can see, just like given an example, if this is an active cell, then the fill handle is a small black dot at the right bottom corner of this active cell. This is the, then here is the position of fill handle. You can click on this up to, it will change into plus position. You can see here, this is the mouse pointer. You can change into plus pointer, then after you can drag it to your next cell. So the data will automatically fill into your next cells also. Understand? By dragging the fill handle in the direction you want, you can easily fill the corresponding cells with data or series. Understand? As already I told you this. So let us fill number in the worksheet using the fill handle. Now you should know how will you enter the numbers in a worksheet. Select cell A3 and A4. So student, A3 and A4, you can find A3 and A4. Position the pointer at the lower right corner of the select till the mouse pointer change into a black cross plus. So move your mouse over this and look, your mouse pointer will change into black cross, just like it. So then after, hold down the left mouse button and drag the fill handle through column A till A8. Now use A and A8. So here is the A and A8 is the A8. So it becomes a A8. Understand? Then release the button. You can first of all drag your mouse from this point to this point and release the button, and it will fill automatically with the number 1 2 3 4 5 6. Understand? And observe that the cell are automatically filled with the number 1 to 6. So let us now fill the data in the worksheet using the fill handle. So now you can observe that the data entered in the cell will automatically fill according to the series of numbers. Understand? So click on the cell C1 and drag the fill handle through row 1 to till I1, till C cell I1. Understand? So here is the C1, in which the Sunday is written. Understand? Observe that the cell are automatically filled with the days of the week. So student, you have to click on this cell and move your mouse pointer towards right side from I1 to the I1. So you can observe that all the days between the cell will automatically fill according to series of days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You can observe it. Understand? In the same way, you can also use autofill feature to fill the month's name. So this feature also you can use in filling the month's name by using autofill feature. Understand? Click on cell C2 and drag the fill handle till CI2 to fill date till 7th September 2019. You can see what is the cell C2 and C2 in which the date is written 9/1/2019. So you can move your mouse pointer towards right side up to the I2. So you can observe that the date will also automatically filled by this feature. Understand? It is very good feature in Excel software. Enter the data in the worksheet as shown in figure 6.3. So now you can enter your data according to this table. Understand? You can make your own table also at your home in your computer by this method. Understand? So this is the topic using autofill feature. Very interesting topic. You can watch this video to understand it again. Understand? So have a good day. I will give you next topic with this chapter. Bye.